Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to set up Outlook room booking in your reference app. Here you will learn how to set up the Office 365 API to be used with the Outlook plugin, set up the CMS to support Office 365, and use the reference app to test out the Office 365 room booking feature. To set up your Microsoft application to use the Office 365 plugin, navigate to the apps.dev.microsoft.com and create a Converge application by selecting the Add an App. Name the app to whatever name you choose. Here we will name it Compass, and create the application. Once created, note the application ID as this will be used in the reference app later on to activate the Outlook 365 kit. Scroll down to the platform and select Web. The Office 365 kit uses the web platform. Enter the redirect URL to whatever you choose and continue on down to the Edit Manifest button. In the Edit Application Manifest, scroll down to the OAuth to allow implicit flow and set this to true. Save your changes. And now the Office 365 API is ready to be used with your Outlook 365 kit. Here we are setting up data on the Jibestream CMS to work with the Outlook 365 API in the Outlook kit. Set up bookable destinations with the appropriate external IDs to be used for booking rooms. Enter the external ID that matches with the email that is within the Outlook 365 for bookable rooms. Scroll down to the tags and add a tag type:"meeting." Select submit and do this for all bookable meeting rooms within the venue. You are now complete and ready to set up within the application. Here we are implementing and testing out the Outlook 365 room booking feature within the reference application. Navigate to the appropriate venue that is set up with Outlook 365 within your APIs and the CMS. Navigate to the settings and flip the Outlook room availability switch. Enter your application ID and tap Next. Here you will be displayed with a view to input your Outlook 365 credentials. After putting your credentials, you will be presented with a permission requested screen. Select Accept and navigate back to the map. And now you should be able to see all available rooms at certain times.